Welcome to 3EM Power Technologies, your trusted partner for uninterrupted power solutions. In today's fast-paced world, where every second counts, uninterrupted power is crucial for success. Let's explore the critical need for uninterrupted power across various sectors, starting with industries. In the world of industries, uninterrupted power is the backbone of success. 3EM Power Technologies ensures your production never stops, minimizing downtime and maximizing output. Next, let's look at the vital role of continuous power in hospitals and healthcare. In hospitals, lives depend on continuous power. Every machine, every monitor, every critical device must operate without fail. Our 3EM online UPS systems deliver 24x7 reliability, safeguarding critical equipment and patients' lives, ensuring uninterrupted care. Now let's delve into the importance of power stability for high-precision technology. For high-precision technology like laser machines, stability matters most. Even the slightest power fluctuation can compromise accuracy. 3EM UPS provides clean and reliable power, ensuring unwavering precision and optimal performance for all your high-tech equipment. Finally, let's explore how 3EM Power Technologies supports institutions and education. In institutions, where learning and innovation never stop, constant power is essential for classrooms, computer labs, and IT centers. 3EM UPS keeps every system powered, ensuring seamless operations and continuous progress for every moment of learning and innovation. In conclusion, 3EM Power Technologies is your ultimate solution for uninterrupted power. From the demanding environments of industries to the life-saving operations in hospitals, and the precision required by advanced technology. And even in educational institutions, we provide the consistent and reliable power needed for progress and innovation. 3EM Power Technologies is your trusted partner for uninterrupted power solutions. Visit us at www.3emups.com to learn more.